How to change the language on Zoom for iPad? This question is an easy one. Let's see how to change the language on Zoom for iPad. First, we need to go to Settings. Find Settings and tap on it. Go to the bottom of the page and find Zoom. Tap on Zoom. Here you will see Zoom permissions. Beside that, you have an option Preferred Language. So if you want to change the language, tap on that. Find the language you want and tap on it. Now the new language is selected and you can use the app on your language. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them on the comments area below.